How to connect the Pro 4 TWS wireless Bluetooth earphones to a Android phone, either Android 14 or Android 15. So these here are going to be somewhat similar to AirPods, and they look like this right here. So they're small. And basically, when you are ready to actually connect these here, you want to make sure that the inner light to the bottom is actually light up. And the reason for this is to make sure that they are both touching the inner base where the metal pins are to indicate that they are actually charging. So green means fully charged and blue means that they still are charging. But once they're both light up like this here, that's what you want to get them to do. Then you take them out together at the same time. This is going to initiate the pairing mode. So taking them out together, and once they are released from the base area where the metal is, you will see now that they have entered into pairing mode. I'll just make it a little darker so you can see that blue light there. Notice that blinking blue light right there. So that's going to indicate pairing mode. Now, once you get it to do that, you will now take your Android phone, or just go into the Bluetooth settings of your Android phone and turn it on. So this is a Motorola phone here. Look for Bluetooth. You'll long press it when you see it like this here. Then from here, just select pair new device. This is going to turn on the Bluetooth and also search for nearby devices. So just wait for what's going to show up as TWS. So they will be called TWS. And when you select it, you'll get the pairing request. If it's your first time connecting them, and just go ahead and press pair right there. Then you'll see it like this here connecting, and it'll tell you the battery percentage. And of course, give you a little notification there for discovery. But the thing is now, if you want to rename them, you can tap on the settings right here. This will take you here, and you can go down and look for rename down here, or sometimes there's an edit icon here depending on your Android phone. And when you tap on that, that's going to allow you to rename your device here. So you go ahead and call it Pro 4 if you want to. Okay, and that's how you would go about setting it up. And also the switch here for media and phone calls. And that's basically it for this guide here. Like and sub.